Hello everyone, it's Justine. Today I am showing you 10 different cards using the Spellbinders card kit of the month for August 2022. And this one is called Butterfly Sparkles. So I've made quite a few cards here and I have a couple different designs, and when I have a card like this one that has a similar design to another one, I call it a sister card. So hopefully you liked my first card here. As I move on to the second card, I did just want to mention some things about the Spellbinders card kits. So they give you all sorts of goodies like paper and stickers, embellishments, and really everything you need to create some really beautiful handmade cards. If you're interested in knowing all of the materials that come inside the card kit, I recommend you watching the unboxing video. Now, I have that on my channel, my YouTube channel, and there's a number of unboxing videos there for you. So the one you're looking for this kit is called Butterfly Sparkles Unboxing Card Kit of the Month. There I go through everything. So in this video and the videos that follow regarding this kit, it's just showing you what I've made with the cards. So for now, I will just talk about the different cards that I'm making on the video. So I really liked the way that this one ends up turning out. You can see the sister card on the left now. I have this woman wearing like a butterfly wings costume, and I will end up popping her up just like I did with the one on the left. Now, the three banners that are hanging from the left side of the top card are chipboard embellishments, and with the kit it comes with just 3 of those, and I used them up all on the left. I used all of them up on the left card, so I have to figure out something else to put in that area. But for now, I'm going to use some foam tape and pop up this piece of die cut shape just to make sure that the card has a little bit of dimension. Not every card that I make has dimension, but it's definitely a neat little thing you can do on a card to kind of make it a little more interesting. I really love making different cards with the Spellbinders card kits of the month because each month there's a different theme. So this theme is Butterfly Sparkles. So there's a lot of butterflies and just really delicate, pretty little things, I'll say. And there's a lot of pink tones and just light, cheerful colors. And then I pulled in quite a lot of blacks as well to kind of offset the pastel colors. So you'll notice that a lot of the cards that I make this month are kind of the pastel with the black. For some reason, I was really drawn to that. This month, I also kind of did a little self-challenge to use up as much of the card kit as I possibly can. So I ended up making a lot of cards, you guys. But I'll show you all of them. I filmed making them all, and so far I have not lost the footage, so hopefully everything is good on the technical world and I'll be able to show all of them to you. But I wanted to make as many cards as possible, but I did not want to make what I deem boring cards. So I didn't want it just to be a piece of paper with a stamp or one die cut shape on the card base. I wanted to use all of the pattern paper that I could. I wanted to use up all of the die cut shapes. I wanted to use the dies, the stamps, the rhinestones. I guess this month came with sequins, but I really wanted to use up everything, all the chipboard sentiments, really just get all of the bang for the buck. So that's what I tried to do. And I feel like I did a pretty good job. I'm still learning card making. I've been card making for a couple years, but I'm no expert. But I really do love making cards, and the card kits are a really good way to bring out your creative side. Mainly because you get to do whatever you want with the kits, and If you are new to card making, it's a really good way to build up first your card stash. So those are finished cards. Your dies, because every card kit comes with a die set. Your stamp set collection, because every kit comes with a whole stamp set. And you can build up your toolbox of what you know how to use. So you can use different stickers and different layers of paper and really get as much as you can out of each kit. So if you're new to card making, I definitely recommend trying this out. And if you're a seasoned card maker and have just never thought the card kits were really your thing, I would recommend trying one out. If you're not sure, maybe try one of the Christmas ones they're coming out in August. There's a really awesome one. I just unboxed it myself today. I won't release it till the 14th, but I am so excited about that Santa Lane card kit. And I can just imagine as many cards as I'm going to make with that. I don't know where in the world I'm going to find the time to do it all, but we'll see. But like I said, if you're interested in a card kit and you need Christmas cards, why not try a card kit? You can make a ton of cards and it's not boring to me. Okay, don't get me wrong. I love stamps and dies. Stamp sets and die sets. They're fabulous. But you can make one design usually with certain ones. Hopefully this makes sense. I love stamps and dice, really. But like with card kits, you can do so many different designs. So you can get a card kit and you can make 44 cards. With a die, to make 44 different cards, you're going to be, I would be pretty bored after a while. 44 is a lot for one die set or one stamp set. But with a card kit, it's not. It's hours and hours and hours and hours of creativity, and you can just put on some music or a podcast or just sit and enjoy the silence. Bring it over to a friend's house and create cards. You can do so many different things. So those are all my reasons why card kits are the bomb. Anyway, also don't be afraid to layer like these two cards. There's tons and tons of things you can do with the die cut shapes and the chipboard embellishments and the pattern paper. Oh my goodness, I love the pattern paper from Spellbinders. I think they do such a good job at picking all of the embellishments and die cut shapes to match the pattern paper without being too predictable. So you can take this hot air balloon and put it on a different pattern paper and it still would look good because all of the paper coordinates and really everything that comes in the kit coordinates. So you really can't go wrong. I remember someone, I watched a video on YouTube about card kits like a year ago, and someone said they were going to try to make an ugly card with the card kits, and I'd like to see someone try because it would be a little difficult, I think. But I don't know. Just my opinions, Anyway, if you're wondering what I'm coloring over with this, it's the Wink of Stella. It's a sparkle pen. So if you're not familiar with that, that's what that is right now in my hand. And then the bottle on the right with the big gemstone on it is Nuvo drops. So those are like a tacky glue-like substance, and when it dries in like the shape that it's formed. So if you leave it a nice circle, it's going to be a circle or a heart or a star. And this one is the Blizzard, so it's kind of like green and clear glittery chunks. I'm almost at the end of my cards for this video, but not to worry, I have tons of other ones. And I did just want to mention, I had someone ask me if I minded I mind, sorry, it's a little late, but if I mind if someone remakes my card, and I do not mind, I think that we're all getting the same stuff in the card kit, and if you want to remake something and use a design that I make, I don't mind at all. You don't even have to say I made it up. It's fine. This is the crafting world. This is for fun. This is for you to make something and give it to someone else would be really fun. So why not? Did I mention how much I love these little sequins? I love the aquamarine color of this month. I think it's really fun little pop. All right, now that piece of paper on the left that says "Let your dreams be your wings," I loved the size of that piece from the die cut shapes. I think that it is such a nice bold piece that it really makes a fast card. And when I heard or read wings and I saw the bird, I knew that those two just, in my mind, went really well together. Anyway, so here's a look at all of the cards I made during this video. Like I said, I'm going to have a few more posted this month. So if you're interested, subscribe and stick around. Come on back for the next one and the one after. And on the 14th of August, I will be posting my Santa Lane card kit unboxing and my Santa Lane cards. So stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.